Hello everyone, welcome to Chadani Solutions. So for today, we are going to add another new fair value gap. This one. So this is called the EMA crossover of FBG session ICT NT5 by PF Lab. So you are going to copy that one and search it on the internet. So here, let's try if this is the correct one. So you need to extract the file. So you need to extract the file. And then this file, go to your empty file, then file, open data folder, and then go to here, MPL5, indicators, and then free indicators. And then after that, you are going to drag this here. So since I already have this file, which is this one, I will not drag it. So after dragging, you can able to see it here under your navigator. So if you cannot see your navigator, just go to view, then click the navigator, then it will show up here. So under the indicators, open that one, and then go to free indicators, and you can see it here. So after that one, you need to refresh it. Refresh this, and then you can click and drag it. So these are the settings. So you can change the width of the, you can change it to 20. Let's see. So to modify or check the indicators, so click indicators list, and then it is already, we are going to delete this one. So okay, let's delete it again, and then drag. You cannot see it right away. Let's try to go to another time frame so you can see this one. Let's go back again to the NT5. So here you can see the FVG that we've added. So this one means, the red FVG means down sell signal, and this one is for buy. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.